Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the 5th time I take this video because I forget every time to tell you something, but right now I have my list here, so hopefully everything will be okay. Yes, I am frustrated. Let's start it. Okay, now that we have everyone here, let's start talking and checking what is happening with the crypto market. This is not the best day, week of my life, crypto stuff, but I also got some hit from my personal life. My bike didn't pass the technical test, so yeah, that's taken apart yesterday, but it was a good stress revealing job. So Bitcoin down 11%, Ethereum down 15%, it was even more. They pulled down all the altcoins with them. Right, we have some winners. Solana 39%, which is very interesting. Swissborg 13%, and the rest is 7, 6 and 0. Not very big winners, but still some winners. Yesterday there were no winners. Losers, we have them plenty. 40, 30, 30. I have to scroll down to get somebody below 20. The first one below 20 is like Ox and Uniswap, whatever. This is a correction, we are living it, we don't like it, but it is what it is. Let's jump in and discuss why this is happening. Okay, I brought to you some pictures from Glassnode, and first of all I want to show you the Nupul chart. I don't know if you are familiar. It is monitoring the net unrealized profit and loss, and if we reach 0.75, which is euphoria greed, then a bearish trend is to be expected. Basically everybody will start to sell. Right now we are here, very close to euphoria, but did not reach it. And if I show you a picture which is more like zoomed in, now you can see that just before crossing this line, it turned back. It turned back because a Chinese mining company or mining entity or whatever dumped 6,300 bitcoins on the market. Okay, in 1 hour. In 1 hour, if they dumped that bitcoin as you are supposed to take your profit, right? It wouldn't be any problem. The Bitcoin would have gone maybe sideways, but it would just grow. But they had to dump everything on the market in 1 hour, 6,000 something, around $300 million. That goes this dump, and it is also a very good opportunity for big whales to jump in. I do not think that this is over just yet. I think that we just switched direction and it will go a bit down trend for a while until people start to reinvest in Bitcoin, because right now everybody who's panicking, they just sold what they could. Therefore they are helping this dump, they are helping Bitcoin to go in the bearish downtrend. Okay, and when people will calm down and start to reinvest, Bitcoin will start sideways. That will be the sign for the bears to jump in. They will jump in with big money. They will cause a 10% jump like in 1 hour, 2 hours, and then everybody else, all the small holders, they will say, oh, now it's bullish again. They will jump in, helping the uptrend. Okay, this is something I am expecting, and this is what usually happens. But let's go forward. Okay, what is happening here? Why am I being optimistic? And I am being optimistic not because I made a lot of money. Believe it or not, on Saturday I had 30% more money than today, but I took the risk. I always tell you to take profit. I did not take profit. I took the risk, but I made one insurance. I set at all the altcoins which I don't want to hold for a long term, a stop limit, and I set what is the percentage which I'm willing to sacrifice for the bigger opportunity, right? Bigger opportunity being that these altcoins I invested in will go, I don't know, another 100%. And I said that, okay, I will not take profit. I will let them go, okay? Let the balloon just go bigger and bigger. And I will set my stop limit at minus 30%. So if any altcoin drops below 30%, the exchange application will sell it for me automatically. And that happened. The sacrifice happened, not the opportunity. It is what it is, but this is what I am willing to take. This is what I said that, okay, it's either this or that, and whichever happens, I am happy because I am in profit. Not that much profit, a bit lower profit, but in profit, not in minus. That's very important. Let's go forward. I'm just checking my note because next step, Elrond, don't panic. At least that's what I wrote here. Why shouldn't we panic? We should never panic, okay? We should never panic because yes, Elrond is in a bearish trend for 2 weeks now. I am not saying that this is good. This is not good. I don't try to sugarcoat anything. I am also just watching what is happening, and these Bitcoin and Ethereum dumps don't help at all. But what I always say, I trust the project, I trust Elrond team, and therefore I am holding. And just to make sure that I'm holding and I'm not panic selling, I delegated all my Elrond, okay? All my Elrond is delegated, it's staked. So I can't touch them for 10 days, even if I wanted to. And I just jumped a point here, a very important point. Twitter Tether printing, okay? They are printing Tether, which is a stable coin that Biden and his team would be jealous, to be honest. As you can see here, 1.4 billion Tether was printed in 2017, 3.8, almost 4 a day. In 18, 510 million. In 2019, 2.2. In 2020, 17 billion. And in 2021, until today, in 2 months, 13.3 billion. They are printing 256 million Tether per day, okay? And printing Tether per day, it means that somebody is taking their real dollar and they are putting it in Tether, they park it in their wallet, and they are waiting for the right time to jump into crypto. And that is very important because when things start to go sideways on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on altcoins, on everything, this 13.3 billion and the others, which is printing every day, they will start investing. And when they will start investing, they will start investing in many crypto coins, in all the crypto coins, okay? Not just only, probably not just only one, I can't know that for sure. And that is when we should also start to invest, okay? And if somebody wants to invest now, that's also okay. You just don't invest with your full money, okay? I'm not advising you, I just tell you how I do it. When I start to invest, when it's going down, I start to invest in small amounts, okay? It's the same as taking profits. Take profits, small amounts, also start investing in small amounts. It doesn't mean that you will just catch the bottom of the price and all the gain you will have like maximum profit. It's not. It means that you will have a fairly good average, and after some time you will have a good profit. So what are the two problems waiting for the bottom? One is that nobody ensures you that is the bottom. Maybe you jump in with your full money and then another 10% will drop and you will have to wait like 2 months for it to come back. If you don't jump in at the bottom, you will probably have a way worse average than you would jump in with small amounts. Okay, so my advice here is check the price every day, every hour, whether you are a day trader or just holding it for long. And when you feel like it went down like a dip, just invest some if you are looking for investing. If you are holding, don't stress. Check the price every day, but don't check it every hour, okay? Because that will drive you crazy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like my content. I will come back tomorrow with other news, and yeah, let's see if the bulls come back into play. See you next time. Bye.